in today's world, like people find very less time to actually go to the market and collect all the fresh vegetables out there. And plus, to be honest, not everyone has the expertise to select out the best and the time also. So for that, we already have some GrowBox available in the market. But the main problem with that is you need to again invest a lot of time in growing your vegetables inside your house in that grow box. So what we have planned is we have used a CNC mechanism which actually automates your seeding and watering and monitoring of plants. So right now it's detecting the red corner, which is our origin, and after that it will detect the trough position. It has detected the first corner. Now it's moving towards the second one. Once it detects the second corner, the y-axis will move towards the left, as you can see right now. Now the third corner has been detected, and the fourth corner will be estimated by geometry of the trough.
Before coming to internship, we were not able to, means I was not sure that whether we have to do startup on this project or not. But after coming to eYSIP program, my vision got clear that while talking to most of the means more that experienced people, we were able to know that our project has a chance to stand in the market, and it helps me to think about it. And now I am clear that I have to do startup in future using my project.
Your whole perspective looking towards things gets changed. Like I'm from mechanical engineering, and I got to learn many more things here. I learned image processing a bit. So it was a good experience to learn something which is not in your comfort zone. That is, I'm from mechanical engineering, so I don't know much about computer things. So, but I learned it very easily. It was not so difficult thing.
For me, my task was image processing and working on Raspberry Pi and doing Python code. All the three tasks which I had never done. So I thought it was a big challenge for me. I learned it, I did the thing, and it's working. So it's giving me a very great perspective to the engineering life. Before the second year summer holidays, when I was planning for my internship, I got to know from my seniors like there are hardly few internships available in the market which actually tell you to work in their like which actually give you a real time work, which quality work. And most of the time they'll tell you to do some tutorial or even do some menial job which you could have done back at home, and even you could have done better by going through some tutorials at online MOOCs and all. So here we are actually given a very good task, and we are pushed to our limits to work on that.
We didn't have so much of industrial knowledge. Like in the naval dockyard visit, the officer told us about some problems. Like first problem was the hull cleaning. Like if they want to do the hull cleaning in the mid sea, they can't do. They have to dry dock the ship. Like they have to get the ship in their dockyard and then clean its hull. So it's very time consuming. It takes around 15 days to do all the process. So it is a very time consuming process. So this kind of problems that we never had thought about. So we got to know about such many problems. Like one more thing was robotic welding. He told us about it. It is a bit difficult to do the welding in submarines, inside the submarines. So we can do some flexible arm to go there and weld the things there. We had a workshop in trees by Professor Apte. So he shared many things to identify the problem, because identify problem is more important than solving it.
This e-Yantra internship is fully centered on empowering the students. So one can also see various efforts by the whole organization to make us aware of other aspects of life, like meditation programs to handle stress, and how to solve a program TRIS, which my partner recently mentioned, and many more. So you get a good perspective of how to look at a question from various angles.